This is the Discord installation guide for installing Discord on Windows. You will have been given access to the Discord installation guide sheet. Once you're on the sheet, you can go and click on the hyperlink, which is going to redirect you to the Discord site. You just have to press this button. The website is automatically going to detect which operating system you have and which version of the program you need. Once you press the button, it's going to start downloading the program. You click on save so you can actually download the program. Now you can click on open in folder, where it's going to take you to your probably downloads folder. You can then go and start the installation process of your application. The downloading process may take a while and may not be as fast as shown here. The installation process, as said, may also take a while, so if the program at first seems to be a bit unresponsive, do not be alarmed. Once you see this down here, now it's starting to go through the proper installation process. This can take up to several minutes, depending on your device. It's just going to flash through a couple of things in your browser. Now you are at this point. Because you probably don't have a Discord account, you can click on the register button or follow the Discord installation guide and go to this link and go and register an account with Discord. For this, you're going to need an email address, you're going to need a username, you're going to need a password, your date of birth, plus you have to accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. Once you've done this, your account is going to be registered. I would highly recommend that you go to your emails and click on the provided link to confirm your identity and that is your email address. Because I have already an account, I'm not going to be going through this process, but instead I'm going to go to the Discord app, where I'm going to provide my login credentials. Once you've entered your credentials, you're going to click on the login button. Just as in my case, this might trigger Discord to detect that you're logging in at a new location, which is going to prompt it to ask you to go and confirm it that this is a device that you trust. Once you have confirmed that you do trust the device, you can click the login button again, and then it's going to take you to the next steps. You're just going to go and follow the invite link. It's going to take you to this splash screen where it's going to ask you what you want to be called, but it may also just direct you straight away to your app and then put you into server. You're now a new person on the server, and your appropriate roles in Discord are going to be assigned shortly to you